Tagdua-dua mo, tulo ka tao minsa, then dua-dua mo. Oh. No good for the first throw, Patrick. Okay, 1 point. Villegas.
Una-una yung sulod ako.
Goroy. Sulod man. Magtatagsar mo dyan krod. Agoy gini kay ay Koan and player of the game last gula. Kini perfect dyan ni Ron. Alaka, ano sa'yo? Ago. Okay, time for the second quarter of this game. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, duat galing po kang malong. Duat tumira ng tres. Ayun, muntik na nakuha ni Mr. Tamandong Tumabinis. Binis for 3. Agoy, muntik na rin ako ni Villegas. Pinasa doon kang Patrick. Patrick bang Mr. Maynard, 2 points. Okay, as score is 15-14 naman po ng isa. Ang NHA Saints, duat to Tamandong. Agoy, steal by Maynard. Okay, Maynard masyadong ganado. Doon pinasa kang Mr. Patrick. Attempt. And pumasok. Foul jersey number 6. Mr. Malong. First, isang foul. First team foul. 14 second shot clock. Attempt. And agoy, hindi naman yung agoy. Nakuan. Nakuratan. Agoy, natugnog. Okay, to Binis. Binis holding the ball. 14 second shot clock. Binigay kang Mr. Duat to Mr. Takandong to Binis. 8 second shot clock. Agoy, nakuha ni Villegas to Mr. Suarez to Pitos. 2 points, Pitos. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Duat, galing po kang Tamandong. Tamandong na? With 13 second shot clock, to Habinis. 10 second shot clock, Habinis lumusod. Goroy. Grabe, Habinis, boy. Gamay king ang tao, nilusod dyan ba? 2 points, Mr. Maynard. And our score is 19-16 lamang po ng tatlo. Ang team manager with 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Okay, to Mr. Malong, binigay kang Taandong, binalik kang Malong, Malong na itakapsahan, binalik kang Taandong, 10 second shot clock, Tumalong, tumuduan, 7 second shot clock, 5 second shot clock. Okay, bola sa team. Time is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, hindi po pumasok na follow-up. Agoy, Villegas, ay, Rementeso pala yun. Okay, no problem at all. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, holding the ball, Mr. Duat with 15 second shot clock to Mr. Takandong. Binalik ang Duat with 10 second shot clock to Habinis. Habinis ang itagabsan 8 second shot clock. Habinis lumusot siya doon. Binigay kang Mr. Agoy, steal by Maynard. Maynard to Mr. Patrick. Konting Agoy, double dribble. Time out po ang Brothers in Paint. With the time remaining is 3 minutes and 1 second. 3 minutes and 1 second. Our score is 16-21 in favor of Team NHA Saints.
Wala yung retro ang jersey. Complete yung jersey. Wala daw.
Okay, time for the timeout. With time remaining is 3 minutes and 1 second. Our score is 21-16 in favor of Energy Saints. Okay, to Mr. Duat. Binalik ang Duat galing kang Mabines. Okay, Duat nagka-long shoot. 14-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Doon binigay kang Mr. Kakandong. Agoy matik na nakuha ni Mr. Patrick. Patrick to Maynard. Maynard to Patrick. Patrick to Maynard. Maynard attempt. Hindi po pumasok. Nakuha ni Habinis. Habinis at mamadali sa Habinis. Gusto niya tumira ng dos. Agoy. Same ball position with 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Remaining shot clock is 98 seconds. Tumira ng grass, hindi umabot ng kuha ni Mr. Villegas, pinasa kang Maynard. Maynard ang mamadali si Maynard, tumira ng dos, and it's a 2 points by Maynard with 1-8-3-16 in favor of Team NHA. Our time remaining is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, holding the ball Mr. Duat, galing po kang Mr. Malo. Pinasa doon kang Habinis. Habinis back to Duat to Habinis, 10 second shot clock, tumira, agoy, hindi umabot kaya Pepitos to Mr. Patrick, pinasa ka Mr. Maynard. Maynard ang mapadalig relax na yung Papa, and it's a 2 points by sa yung Papa. Yes, yung Papa. Nandun yung Mama. Okay lang. Oras ka magawangan ba siya? With 14 second shot clock, Mr. Duat. Challenge by Patrick. 10 second shot clock, lumusot si Duat. Nagkalisod siya, kitabangan siya sa mga players. Okay, same ball position. 5 second shot clock remaining with 1 minute and 30 seconds. 5 second shot clock. Remaining time is 1 minute and 30 seconds. 3. Time for the shot clock. Ang tagal, pinulian ni Mr. Kagawad. With 1 minute and 26 seconds. Okay, to Mr. Patrick, kang binigay kang Titos, binalit kang Mr. Villegas. Villegas, binigay kang Titos. Titos, ang mamadali siya giyata kang Maynard. Maynard tumira ng tres. And hindi umabot na kuha ni Villegas. And there's a foul. Jersey number 15. 14. Mr. 14 daw. 26. 26 daw. Si Mr. Duat, committed. First, on a foul, second team foul with 1 minute and 13 seconds. Ranges in number 14, Mr. Villegas, standing on the free throw line with a 1 point. And our score is 26-16 in favor of Team NHA. For the last round, Mr. Villegas, it's a perfect throw. Score 27-16 in favor of NHA Saints. Time remaining is 1 minute and 12 seconds. Holding the ball, Mr. Duat. John pinasa ng Habinis. Habinis, challenged by Mr. Pitos. 14 second shot clock, doon binigay kang Mr. Takandong. 10 second shot clock, binalik kang Habinis. 8 second shot clock, Habinis tumira. And hindi umabot na po ni Mr. Pitos. Second to play, 50 seconds. Same ball position, bola sa NHA. With the last touch by Mr. Duat, jersey number 26. Time remaining is 50 seconds and our score is 16-27 in favor of NHA Saints. Okay, to Villegas to Mr. Patrick, to Maynard, back to Patrick. Patrick tumira ng tres and hindi umabot na, hindi pumasok pala na kung Villegas to Mr. Villegas, 2 points. Villegas galing kang Grimenteso. With 38 seconds na lang po. 35 seconds. I'm sorry, 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 25 seconds, 10 second shot clock. 8 second shot clock. 20 seconds. 2 points, Mr. Kamandong, 15 seconds. No more shot clock, ha? 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Hindi umabot. And of the second quarter of this game with a score of 29-18.